Here we go. Zyla, what are you doing, honey? What are you doing, honey? What are you doing? You have the hiccups? Can you do something else? She has a cute little face. She's like, look at her neck. I guess, don't.
Is it all you can do? Dude, there.
Zyla.
Look at mommy.
Oh gosh, you're right.
Look at mommy.
Hi, princess.
She's like, what is that? Get that out of my face.
And maybe she has a burp. Look at her face.
Tap her back. Oh, her hands. Look how bad they are. Look at that.
Yeah, she needs some lotion. Girl, you ashy.
Hi, Purdy. They stopped for a minute.
Okay, beautiful. You're boring now. You're not doing anything else.
Did you get mad at me?
I have her zoomed in.
Oh, did you?
Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna do the lay cry? Come on, do it.
Go. Go ahead. Go ahead and try. You wanna try? Don't look at me like that.
Okay. Bye, Zyla. Nope. Wait, she's gonna cry.
She cries when you take that away from her.
Come on, cry. Okay, I guess you're done. Yep, she's done.